Oh, no, I got a hiccup. At least I can try to do water to get rid of him. Much better now.